Hello everyone! This is Mommy Friends, ang inyong simpleng mommy from Naga City. So for today's video, samahan nyo kami as we unbox my desktop cabinet. Siya nga pala, hindi lang to simpleng unboxing kasi kailangan din naming i-assemble tong desktop cabinet. Just in case magustuhan nyo yung kinalabasan ng desktop cabinet, ilalagay ko na lang yung link sa comment section kung saan kayo pwedeng mag-order. So after opening yung parcel, ito yung makikita. So we have the screws here. Meron din maliit na screwdriver, including the manual. So for the desktop cabinet itself, iba-iba yung sizes niya, iba-iba din yung thickness. Ang maganda dito ay numbered yung parts ng desktop cabinet. For its packaging, I think it's superb. Wala akong masabi. As you can see at the beginning of this video, naka-bubble wrap yung box. At may hard lawanit on both sides. By the way, it took only 6 days para may deliver itong parcel. Actually, I thought isang oras lang namin naabutin yung pag-assemble ng desktop cabinet. But it took us about 3 hours or more. So as an advice, if you're buying the same desktop cabinet, have at least several people to help you assemble the cabinet. Mas magiging madali yung process. At the same time, yung patience mo, hindi agad-agad mauubos. Charot! Kidding aside, marami kasi yung screw, so secured na secured yung desktop cabinet. To be honest, matagal ko na tong tinitingnan at gustong bilhin. Kaya lang sinasabi ko, next time na lang. Hindi naman priority at kaya ko pa naman makapag-work sa table lang. Pero nung makita to ni Daddy, sabi niya bilhin ko na. Sabi niya pa, deserve ko din daw to. Ewan ko ba, siguro kapag naging nanay ka na, marirealize mo na talagang priority mo na yung family mo. At later na yung para sa sarili mo. Pero take note, self-care is love pa rin. Oo nga naman, papaano ka makakapag-serve sa family mo kung hindi ka na able? So take care of ourselves din mga mommies. So ayan na nga, speaking of self-care and self-love, sinabihan ako ni Jay na matulog na muna kahit 1 hour, gawa nang wala pa akong sleep during that day. Thankful for these two ladies na tumulong sa akin i-build yung desktop cabinet ko. Hi guys! So ayan, katatapos lang namin i-set up ang aking desk. Thank you Jade and Ate Ala! Siya nga pala, bago pa lang ako sa vlogging. So please bear with me guys. So I know there's a lot of room for improvement. And I would appreciate if you can comment it down below the comment section. So ayan, ang dami ko nang nasabi. So anyway, this time nilalagay ko na yung mga gamit ko from the table to my desk. Finally, I have my space. And finally, sharing with you my workstation. So yan lang muna for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and follow for more.